Welcome to our lesson about using surfaces in assembly design. To learn more about surface modeling and design, please refer to Volume 2 of this course. Let's start by inserting a new part into our assembly. Component, New Part. Now let's select the front plane. I do this so that I can orient the part according to how the assembly is oriented. Let's cancel out of this sketch now. Discard, and let's go to the Surfaces tab. Activate the Offset Surface tool. I'm going to use this tool here to copy surfaces. Let's enter 0 in the offset distance field. And tab to register. Notice that the Property Manager title changes to Copy Surface. Let's select a few surfaces now. This one, and let's click OK. Next step, I need to do some trimming. Activate the Trim Surface tool, Mutual Trim Type, and let's select all 3 surfaces. Selections to keep, make our selections, and accept. Now let's use the Thicken tool. Insert, Boss Base, Thicken. Select the surface we just created. Select the correct thickness size, let's say 2 millimeters. Tab to preview, and let's accept. Exit part editing mode. And this concludes our lesson about using surfaces during part assembly.